My name is S.V. Rao. We live in Kapra. Our water is having a lot of manganese and high minerals and calcium. And we started using this DCal since 2 years. And we have been happy with that in the sense that it is very easy to maintain. It is easy to, put it in the tank, and we get the water which is very pure. It is helping us a lot in the sense that we don't need any particularly the fittings and going after people and things like that. Purchase and just put it in the water tank, you are going to get pure water. And we are assured that we don't have the problems of hair fall, then the calcium deposits in the different instruments and water pipes and things like that. We are very happy, and we totally recommend to all the people that whether you have any problem or not, better to use this product. Thank you very much.